Dakar is a 14-day off-road rally in Saudi Arabia, and it's right at 5,000 miles. And what makes it so difficult that it's over those 14 days, you get to see none of the terrain before the actual start of the race. So every day you're completely blind. It's very difficult to study the terrain while driving and trying to drive as fast as you can. The Can-Am is basically a very custom-built vehicle just for Dakar. A lot of the rules are FIA, which is a very strict organization as far as safety rules. We have a restrictor in the intake that basically limits our power by, I feel like, 50%. And the reason they do that is because we're actually getting to be faster than a lot of the big cars. So the way the course is navigated by road books, basically it's all done through cap headings and distance. So you have basically a compass or cap heading on the dash, and you got to follow that. That's how it is. There's no GPSs allowed. There's no navigation allowed. No phones allowed. So it's you and your co-driver making all the decisions you can at the time. You know, I feel pretty blessed for the opportunity to even get to race and to call ourselves winners. It's unbelievable. I know a lot of Americans have tried to win an overall for many years, and I'm very, very excited. The beginning of a lot of new opportunity that's going to come with Dakar. I'm a big fan of off-roading in general, whether it's racing, rally, Baja, you name it, King of the Hammers. I just enjoy the outdoors and I enjoy it with my family. So for myself, when it's time to slow down, that's the time I pull out the Jeeps and we go out to the desert and we find awesome trails. We go camping, we go hiking, and mostly just spend the time outdoors with our friends. I got a lot of friends that like to drive Jeeps, and for me, it's my passion. So for myself, we just finished Vegas to Reno. We're gonna do, looks like UTV World Championships, and then we are going to do the Best in the Desert Parker 400 in October. And then right now we're looking at getting ready for basically Dakar. We're gonna focus on that. And rather than that, we're gonna go Jeeping. We're gonna go to Utah, we're looking to go into Texas, we're looking at Montana, and one trip to Colorado. We're just looking at basically diversifying and getting out exploring. It's hot here in California right now. I'm sweating and I'm ready to go out to get out of California and go exploring.